Greenhouse gases in the Earth's atmosphere hit a new record high in 2018, surpassing the average yearly increase of the last decade.
The number of weather-related disasters has increased fivefold in the past 50 years.
If we don't change everything, the temperature of the world will go up, and that is the biggest thing of the changes, because from that stems all sorts of things.
The mystery virus started here in the city of Wuhan.
Growing concern as the toll from that deadly coronavirus now grows.
Now, one very rare positive effect of the past few months has been on the environment. At the height of the lockdown, scientists discovered that daily emissions around the world dropped by more than 17%. But scientists are warning that this extreme reduction, as they call it, in greenhouse gas emissions is likely to be temporary.
Who's that, your boyfriend?
No, it's your boyfriend asking why you're not replying to his messages.
I don't have a boyfriend, I got like 3 girlfriends.
Yeah, right, you have like 3 boyfriends that you kiss all the time.
I told you, I don't have a boyfriend. And I met these girls at the park the other day. They said they want to play with my ding dong.
Yeah, right, you're an idiot.
Yes! I win. Another round?
Okay, let me just go get a drink. Hey Guido, come check this out.
What is it? Is it your boyfriend again?
No, just come look.
That's the spot Dad takes us to. No way that's real. Dad said we'll never find water there in our lifetime. It's probably photoshopped.
I heard on the news that greenhouse gases have dropped due to the lockdown. Wanna go check it out?
Did you forget we're in lockdown and Mom said not to go past the 5-kilometer radius?
If we leave now, we'll have the whole day outside for ourselves. Aren't you curious?
I am, but it would be fun to get out the house. But what happens if Mom finds out?
She won't. We'll be back home before she gets home.
Okay. I can't believe it. You're right, nature is fighting back. Once everything goes back to normal, it won't be here anymore.
Not unless we do something right.